If we happen in the bands, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride bait? I ain't a player, I just got a lot of bait. That's warm. Hello beautiful people, it's TV. Welcome back to another video. Before I start, I did want to mention that my clothing line has dropped. The clothes, you can go buy them now. So go ahead and the link in the description down below and check out my clothing line, Masterpiece U. I really appreciate all you guys that support me for it. So go ahead and check out Masterpiece U in the description down below. Really appreciate it. Love you guys so much, like honestly. Like, besides that, this video is pretty much revolved around contacts. Who knew? I wear contacts. I also wear glasses. I don't really wear my glasses that much anymore because one, they're broken because I never put glasses back where they belong, and two, I got contacts now. So when I first started getting my contacts, I spent an hour and 30 minutes just in the, what's it called? Eye doctor store? I don't know. Just sticking this contact in my eye, and it's hard, okay? It's really difficult at first. I mean, some people can get it right away. Some people can't get it at all. But I wanted contacts so bad, so I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna keep striving until I get this thing in my eye. So I did it. So now I wear contacts. Hooray. Let's go! So I did get blessed with some color contacts now from TTDEYE, and I'm super excited to open them up for you guys. Also, the contacts last 12 months. So it's like a whole year of color contacts, which is really good for their price. But I do have a code which is 10% discount, which is my Instagram name, which is ya.z.m.in. I know it's a lot of dots, but it's worth it for 10% off. And go ahead and click that link in the description down below for the code to work. If you want to order some contacts from TTDEYE, you know I got you with the discount code. I did take one pair out before I made this video to test it out, because the last contacts I ordered that were colored, I would put them in one time, and then the second time I put them in, it burned. Like, it burned my eyes. So I'm trying to make sure this is a good company and that they're not gonna make my eyes burn. So they passed the test. Water on it, watch how I drip. Oh, count it. Alright, so this is the box, super cute, and when you open the box it has a bunch of like little things inside. So the first thing we have is this little mirror. Alright, this is fun. Happy Smile hand mirror, TTDEYE, and we got the mirror. A little smudgy, but you know. Damn, how do you do this? Anyways, yeah, it's pretty handy when you gotta take out your contacts. Duh. They also gave me these little stickers, which are super cute. We got an eyeball, a palm tree. We got a Ferris wheel, which is kind of terrifying, but iced cold drink. I like the theme here. Then a little hello thing. Then it comes with all of these things here. I really like how they packaged everything because it's literally the complete opposite of the other company that I ordered from. They gotta go. The 4 colors that I got, I already opened this one, but the 4 colors I got were HD brown, polar lights gray, real khaki, and queen blue. And they also put some glitter in here, like that's kind of cute. I don't know what this glitter is for, but I guess it's just a cute little accent that they added, if I'm not mistaken. I know you guys probably, I mean, some of you don't if you're squeamish, but some of y'all probably want to see me stick my fingers in my eyes and, like, you know, scoop the contacts in and out. So I'm going to be doing little close-up shots for you guys. Oh my god. But yeah, we're going to get a little up close and personal when we're putting in the contacts, just for your enjoyment. You like that, or I don't know. So when you open one of these up, it comes with this too. Dude, these are the ones I already opened, so it's already dripping everywhere, but you can order specific prescriptions. My right eye is negative 2.25 and my left eye is negative 1.75. Kind of blind. So these are the ones I already opened. These are HD brown contacts. So they come in their own cases, which is really nice. So you don't have to buy a bunch of cases. Just like this, left and right. Then it has these little guys. These are help you remove them out of your eyes. So we'll see how we use this. And I believe this one, this little guy, this is the one that helps you put in the contacts. I don't know. I thought this was used to remove them too and just like suction cup them out of your eye, but they're not, so don't do that. But you know, I don't really read directions, so alright, I do have my clear contacts on right now, so I'm gonna have to take these out first. I usually take them out with my fingers because I wear contacts, so I just kind of stretch my eye open and then go look to the corner, like make my eye go to the corner, and just slide it to the side here, and then pick it out. When I have nails on, that's a whole nother hustle right there. Wow, here are my clear contacts, everybody. Super cute. There they go. So the first ones, I'm actually gonna try and use this little applicator thing to stick them in my eye. I don't know how I feel about that, but I got it on here. You can see it's like a light brown. But I notice when I wear these ones, they look more gray, but I'm just gonna suction cup it into my eye, I guess. So make sure, you know, we stretch it open. Oh my God. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm using the camera, the viewfinder, to put my contacts on. Didn't hurt, doesn't feel uncomfortable. Like I can look around and it doesn't feel weird, you know? So here's the difference between my eye color and this color. Alright, I'm just gonna zoom out for a sec so I can put the other one in. Use a finger on the opposite hand and then spread it out. These are the HD brown contacts. They don't really look as brown as I thought they would. Like I thought they were gonna be more like hazel. Yeah, I think they're sick. Okay, cool. So let's go on to the next color. Just mix them up. Who's next? Go, 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 go. Blue. Ooh. All right, so to take them out, and just fill it up, make sure both are filled up so we could store them. Go ahead, pull it off my eye and pinch it out. See, that was easy. Now for the other one, I'm going to show you with my fingers. Make sure your fingers are clean. That's a lot easier, especially if you don't have nails. Whoa, they did. Sometimes that happens, okay, but there it is. So while I'm putting these brown ones away, I just realized like the stickers actually come in handy because check this out. How am I gonna know this is the brown colored contacts? I don't know. Maybe I should put a sticker on it. My brown contacts have the suitcase sticker on it. So smart, yes, go me. All right, so now we're gonna open up this new blue one. So this is exactly how it comes when it's open. So see the blues in there? I'm so nervy. Okay. Oh, shoot. All right, here we go. Widen up my eye. Whoa. That's blue. Dang, son. Alright guys, so here are the blue eyes. I like them a lot. Yeah, they're like a subtle blue. The last blue contacts I had were like really blue. But I like these. These are cool. These are sweet. I feel like a TikToker. I am a TikToker, what am I saying? Alright, I thought that was gonna be cooler than I thought it would be, but it's fine. Blue. Nice. Okay, so we're just gonna speed up the process a little bit. I pretty much explained everything that you need to know by now. So I'm gonna go with the Polar Lights gray contacts. Grab these babies, take one of these, We're pro at this point. These gray ones have like a black thing around them, and then they're gray. It's a lot easier than your fat finger doing it. These are like bluish gray. I like them. If you look real close, it's pretty cute. I keep tucking my hair behind my ears. But I like it. I like it. Also, I'm going to be putting all the links of these colors that I have in the description down below too, so you guys know what you gotta do. We're gonna go with the finger method. Look to the corner. Oh, you already can see it like coming off though. That's funny. Wow. Ooh, child. This doesn't even hurt to take it in and out of my eyes, just so you guys know. It doesn't burn or anything, so don't be like, gross, because it doesn't hurt. I'm gonna put the little cloud on the grays. There it is, gray contacts. Last one, last shebang, last one I gotta put in my eyeball is the green khaki. I hope these are more green than I think they'll be, so. Oh shoot, they're green. They're like snake eyes. Oh. You see these reptilian little, oh shoot. Ooh, these are green. So here it is compared to my other eye. Green, like come on now. Okay, so this is the green khaki color. From afar, it looks actually looks pretty natural. I kind of like them. But like from up close, you could tell like girl, you got reptile eyes. But I like it though. It's kind of, yeah, I think this one's my favorite. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. And use my code Yasmin up above, which is ya.z.m.in for 10% off of your purchase at TTDEYE. Also use the link in the description down below for the code to work. Also my clothing line, like I said in the beginning of this video, my clothing line is out, so go ahead and go shop while supplies last. That link is also down in the description down below, and go ahead and follow me on my social medias, my spam account, my Instagram account. You already know. I'll see you guys next time on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Love y'all. Bye.